Paper or knowledge versus wealth. Paper. Paper holds, paper burns, paper records what you have learned. Paper strategy, paper increase. Work for paper in the streets. Paper lost, paper won. Use paper to shade you in the sun. Paper to burn to warm you in the winter. Paper chaser, paper champion. Paper weight, paper straight. Is paper your destiny, your fate? Then on paper you must wait. Paper chopped down. Out of the death of paper, paper is born. Thousands of dollars wasted in search of the paper. And when you get it, is that paper really yours? Get it? And when you get it, ask yourself, did paper make me greater or did paper make me paper? Paper, where are you? Winding down the paper, take the paper to the movies. Paper dictator, paper told me I wasn't paper's type. And if I didn't have none, tell me, would you mind if I borrowed some paper to wipe my behind? How much paper does it make to make change in my mind? See, my mind spilled out onto the paper because paper never cried. Tears only wiped them away temporarily. No quick fix. How high can paper take you? On paper wings I flew until rain like teardrops destroyed the paper I knew. Paper or plastic? Real thing.